Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to make a coin magnet. This is how it looks like. Basically coins will fly to you when you are close. It's smooth and clean, adds life to your game, so stick with me till the end. I'll leave the code in a comment and a link for our Discord server. Feel free to join. I would like to thank everyone for their support because we finally hit 1k subs. Feel free to sub and like the video. I'll keep uploading tutorials and devlogs. Might as well upload challenges and other game engines too. Now focus and have fun. Alright guys. The first few lines are the variables we need, but before I want to mention that I have a folder which contains all the coins that we will collect. We can call them collectibles, and the code is placed in a local script. I will leave it in a comment. Now back to explaining. We have variables for our player, like his character, and we got to services, the tween service and run service. I already made a video about tweens. I'll make a short about run service soon. It's basically related to time. Whenever you want an event to happen, every frame you better use it. Now after using the heartbeat method, we will loop through the folder in which we have our coins. Then we calculate the distance. I already made a video about magnitude. If the coin is close to our player, we make it non-collidable, and we are going to lerp the C-frame of our coin to the player's humanoid root part. It's like making the part follow our player. I'll drop a short about C-frames soon inshallah. After we check if the part is close. In that case, we make it invisible and we destroy it. In other cases, you might want to increase the coin's value or add few more effects. Feel free to play around with the code. That's how to make a cool magnet effect. The code can also be used in tools, but instead of flying to the player, it will fly to the tool's handle. I hope it was clear. Stay safe for the next videos and have fun, and feel free to like and sub.